Ka Meghalaya kalaya shakman halor ka jingpynkhreh ban penlong ya ka 39th National Games arja arpnyo. Ha ka ba umintri katanat sports uba Wailadmiki Shylla. Ula pun bena babaro ki kam ki jam kilaya shad ha ka rukam ka badai. Menta kasngi usumbut menteri rangba uba kami ya katanat penroy sor uba snga bhalang dhar. Ula syong bishar kam halor ka jingpynkhreh ya ka 39th National Games. Ngila pensngo bat batai benia ha u ye ki baro kata na duk ki jingte ki jakasa bat ki jat jingelek kai ki ban penlong hakal leng ka Jylla. Ula sngo kumen shibun ya kan ka jingpen shai ong uba wailat habak keren syakilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingelang hakalai pau tarik kala lingkon. Umintri ula pen pauru baka jingpen tre ki madan yelek kai kala ya syat bat ki jingpen bit pen biang ya ka JN complex bat PA Sangma Stadium kila jandap artan. Ha kabayadei bat ki jakasa uba Wailadmiki ula ong baki games village kila ban omlong shu ki badan kam namar ka jingdon jeng ki hotel bat ki homestay. Ka jingbu por ban pendap iki jaka yelek kai ki apher ka wei na ka wei. Ha kabaki don ki balak mi lenti ban pendap pura ha ubenai leber ujeliu lani ha unai wiang. Ula pentip ru ba umintri ki kam sports ka sorkar pedeng ru ula kintui ki wepat ki Jylla ka than syatai la mikni bakine shimbentalang bat ka Meghalaya kala menjor ban a syaki ya ka hok bakin penlong ki jat jingelek kai bala jid ha ki Jylla ki jongki. Kadai ka jingkerpat na ka ministry baki kwa baki weiru ki Jylla ka than syatai la mikni kinya dan bentalang ha ka national games. Ngin a syaki ya kalat bakin penlong marmar ka wei ka jingelek kai benrap uba wailat. Ka jingkhen ya kabang tingka menta kadang yaid ha ka jingedon bentalang jong ki babon teli kitanan. Ya mentahi ngam patla ban batai namar ki don bon ki ki badang yaid. Hendrei ngin sawan ra syen ya ka jingmang pisa na ka benta ka ni ka lempung yelek ka national games ula benram.
We already had a series of meeting in the past also, but today's meeting was something special because Deputy CM requested us because he also want to know how is the preparation going on. So we just took the review that how the preparation is going. So today we met him and then we briefed him that from every aspect, from the infrastructure, accommodation and other things. So we briefed him and we really want to know what are the discipline to be held in Jylla, Shillong and Tura and so on and so forth. So we briefed him and I think he also is quite happy with the presentation. Infrastructure is like the main like venues which is going to be held. So main infrastructure, as you know, just I think in the last week or so I have done the inspection in and around Shillong. As you know, this in the JN's complex, there's a stadium, and by the side that indoor hall construction is going on, and in the new Shillong that aquatic, the swimming pool, aquatic stadium is there, and even in last week a few days back I had the opportunity to visit Garo Hills where I have visited the PA Sangma Stadium, and by the side the indoor hall construction and the other construction of the hostels for accommodation and so on. So overall I have seen that in terms of infrastructure the progress is going well. Game village as such, because see, game village we made it when there is no accommodation. But as of now, we have quite a numbers of hotels and homestay available with us. So I don't think there will be a need of having this game village. Because infrastructure-wise, because it's depend on the time of different stadium venues. Because there who are going to be completed by March. There are some who are going to be completed by June, and there are some. Lastly, there will be, I think, around October or November. We are ready, and then just to inform you that the day before, the Union Minister of Sport has called a review meeting, and our Commissioner and Secretary has gone and present in the meeting, and then virtually from here the Sport Department along with the Chief Secretary also were present, and Union Sport Minister were quite happy with right now with the present progress. He is quite happy. Like I already mentioned in the past, because it is a request from the ministry that they would like that other northeastern state also to be a part of this national game. But the host city write it with us, so it's depend on us to give them. So since we thought it is a request from the ministry, so definitely we'll give them the opportunity to host one event, but except for Manipur, where we have put two games, because since we all know that Manipur is the powerhouse of sport in the whole of India. And as of now, Assam has not have not proposed any games, because I don't know, maybe because of the election and all, so they have not proposed anything. And the good thing here of the previous day meeting was that in the past we were in the dilemma that because who will get the right to play, because as you know that the host will get the right to play. So the other state also were like requesting that they want to, since they are also hosting in one event, so their team also want to participate. So we directly told them that it's not up to us, because we cannot lose that opportunity of participating. So the other day, the union minister have agreed that both the state will get the opportunity to participate. See, as of now, I cannot tell you that, because still we are in a very early stage because there are a lot of things going on, and then it is a multi department. It's required multi department, so it will take a little bit of time, but definitely will come up with the budget.